Welcome back, viewers. You're watching the Savera and I'm Shifali. The Allahabad High Court today will resume hearings in the long-standing Krishna Janmabhoomi Shahi Idgah dispute of Mathura, a case that has for decades remained at heart of one of India's most sensitive religious and legal battles. The hearing listed before Justice Manohar Narain Mishra comes as both Hindu and Muslim representatives prepared to present detailed argument on ownership, historical claims and the maintainability of multiple petitions tied to the contested site. During the last session, the court addressed numerous pending applications and objections filed by both parties, reflecting the complex procedural history and multifaceted nature of the litigation. The dispute, which has evolved through decades of legal proceedings, now stands at a decisive juncture as the High Court moves towards examining the claim on merit. At the center of the controversy lies the Shahi Idgah Mosque, which stands adjacent to the Krishna Janmabhoomi temple complex in Mathura. The site is revered by millions of Hindus as the birthplace of Lord Krishna. Hindu litigants contend that the mosque was constructed during the reign of Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb after the demolition of a pre-existing temple marking the deity's birthplace. Over the years, Hindu organizations and devotees have filed 18 separate civil suits seeking ownership of the disputed land, demolition of the Shahi Idgah Mosque structure, reconstruction of the original temple, and a permanent injunction to prevent any alterations at the site. The petitioners have also demanded that the mosque's land be declared as part of Krishna Janmabhoomi complex. The Muslim side, represented by Shahi Idgah Trust and the Uttar Pradesh Sunni Central Waqf Board, has consistently maintained that the mosque is legally owned Waqf property and that the claims made by Hindu petitioners are based under the Places of Worship Special Provision Act 1991, which prohibits the conversion of any religious site as it existed on August 15, 1947. In a significant order delivered on August 1, 2024, the Allahabad High Court dismissed several applications filed by the Muslim side that had challenged the maintainability of the suits filed by Hindu worshippers. The court ruled out that petitions were allegedly maintaining and did not violate provisions of the Limited Act, the Waqf Act or the Places of Worship Act. The August ruling was viewed as a major legal boost for the Hindu petitioners, effectively clearing the procedural hurdles and allowing the court to begin hearing the substance argument regarding the ownership and religious character of the site. Legal experts say that the upcoming hearing is expected to focus on key documentary and historical evidences, including land records, arrival maps, and earlier agreements said to be executed between temple and mosque management committees. Security have been tightened in Mathura and around the disputed site ahead of the court proceedings. Authorities have urged peace and restraint, emphasizing that the matter remains sub judice and will be decided strictly on legal grounds. The Krishna Janmabhoomi Shahi Idgah case had been closely watched across the country, drawing parallels to the Ayodhya Ram Janmabhoomi dispute, which cumulative in a Supreme Court verdict in 2019. Observers say that the Allahabad High Court's final judgment in the Mathura case could have far-reaching legal and social implications. That's all for now in this update. Stay tuned to the Savera, download the app and follow us on various social media platforms.